I'm going to be showing you the functions of DB Memo Pad. After installation, you'll see notes.html. I'll show you what everything is and how it functions. You see active tab 0. Anytime that you click on one of these tabs and you type something in, it will tell you that tab is being used. This is an easy way to find what is being used and what's not. Now you can use up to 15 memos from 1 to 15. BK and RC is backup and recovery. You can search for memos. This is where you type in your memos. You can copy that one memo. You can clear that memo. You can save it as a text document. And you can clear every single one. Let's go ahead and go to memo 2 and type in hello world. As you can see, active tabs 2 shows up. Anytime I refresh the page, it'll stay where you were last on. Let's go to 10 and type in this is just a test. Let's go to 13 and write testing only. Now I have testing in 2 tabs, 10 and 13. Say I want to search for something simple, like test. It'll pop up an alert window and it'll show you that test is on memos 10 and 13. That's a quick way to find something. We can go to copy this. We can put it into another one. And there you go. As you see, tabs 2, 10, 13, and 14 are showing. Now this does use local storage, so if you clear your browser's cache, everything will be wiped out. So this is the reason why I got this backup recovery system. So long as you actually back up your code. So on this page here, you got BKRC. We can back up what we have. As you see, it shows tab 13, testing only. Tab 10, this is the test. And so yeah, it just backs up everything you have. You can save this. You can save this as memocodes.txt. As you see here, it is. I'll copy this. I'll close it. Now I'm going to clear this completely. This wipes out every single memo. As you see, active tab 0. Right? There's nothing on here. Nothing at all. Now, what I backed up, I just place it in here. And all I have to do is hit replace. There you go. 2, 10, 13, and 14. Everything is recovered back. Let's go to 10, 13, and 14. This is the best way to back things up. Now, you can save your memos as a readable format. There it is. Everything looks nice and clean. You got searchable memos. You can write any type of memo, 1 to 15. It even shows you this is 11, this is 12. I'm just going to wipe every single one. Oh wait, before I do, let's go to 10. Go to clear this. As you see, it just clears only that memo. Let's pin this to the top. So on any single page, you can activate it from up here as well. So you can see, it remembers the last one you're on. And you can back it up at any time. So I have a backed up demonstration I want to show. Let's go to restore, paste the code in, and hit replace. Let's close it, open it back up. Here it is. Let's type in eggs. There's the shopping list. Let's search for thoughts. And it's on memo 1. So that's pretty much it. You can use this thing for anything you want. Just make sure that you back it up because this does use local storage.